cord just to see. Okay. Alright, let's see. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Okay, we're looking launches about T plus 20 seconds. Unfortunately, we don't. Oh, there we are. See it? Mm-hmm. Okay. So just get as close as you can until it starts fuzzing up. I made this too. Then back up. Slowly. Dang it. I got this though. It's not. Oh, that looks good. See the tail? So if you could back out like more and try to get that whole thing, and I'll close up on the rocket.
Just like a dot. It's not really.
I know, but just try to get the whole trail, because that's people want to see that too. Unbelievably. What did he say? Beat off. Be off. No, master, not in front of people. Okay, this isn't. I'm gonna have to mute everything. Look at, they're all leaving, and there's a rocket like blasting into space, and they just don't care. There we go, Miko. So I'm going to try to follow this. It should be easy because it's in space, but it's picking up. Yeah, this will be easy because the sun is hitting the vapor. So try to get the whole trail, and then it's SpaceX in case you wanted to know. Okay, you see the first stage falling? Okay, yeah. Yes. Those spring, it looks like little, like it's sparkly. That's it. There's the fairings. That is friggin' amazing. I never get used to this. It's so cool. I'm going to back up a little bit, everybody, so you can see this a little better. But right there is the first stage, making its way back or down to, of course, I Still Love You barge in the Pacific, down by San Pedro. Well, 60 miles out, about, approximately. Okay, I'm gonna try to. I want to kind of keep on the first stage, and because I have never seen it that clear. See it still?
Yeah, it's cool.
It's cool. So if you can just get that and don't worry about anything like fuzzy or anything, and I'll concentrate on the other. Perfect.
I'm so sorry, do you know what is this?
SpaceX.
SpaceX rocket.
Oh.
Launching satellites into orbit. So that's the second stage that you see. It's in orbit now. If you care, I don't know. Some people do, some people don't. That thing is cooking, man. I should be able to get it all the way. Okay, just try to catch the landing, Ben.
Okay.
Because it should be right by the Hollywood Hills. I'm not even going to bother with it because then it'll just mess everything up. Dang it, I can't get this to... That looks great, that looks great, that looks great. Oh, I'm losing it. You see it, Ben?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. But you got that. Alright. I still got the first one. Is that a backfire? Okay, I just lost it. But that was a long one. That was pretty good for what the time of day. Well, I lost, there's Miko right there, so got all that, and that's the whole trail. And then up, and then out, and down, and it's gone. It went into a fog bank, so it's going southward, or south, due south.
It blurred out a little bit, dude.
It's alright. Just do what you can, man. You know, you're mentally challenged, and I can only expect as much as I can. Dude, this is impossible to almost to get. You got all that?
Yeah, I got everything.
Alright. Okay, so I'm gonna just pop this sucker off. And then, so here's a good shot of the trail. So it went into a fog bank, so I couldn't still follow it, but that's the entire trail from liftoff to, there's Mako where it cuts, and gone. And then he got landing, and we're done. See, that's Ben. Fresh, wait a minute. Fresh, say I'm Ben Brush.
I'm Ben Brush.
Very good.
The biscuit.
The biscuit. Which is his actual name in Italian. The biscuit.
Le biscuit.
Le biscuit.
That's not French.
Yeah, that's more, this French Italian. Like, Mandy is French, German. Who knows? He changes his story every other. But that's pretty much it. I'm not going to burn up time. But, there you go. Hope you guys enjoy it. This has been a while. I don't think this is anything, but it might be. No, it's a plane. Never mind. Not gonna bother. Alright. As they used to say, row, row. What? Did you hear that? Did you hear that?
Yes.
Okay, I didn't want you to hear that. I'm trying to be like the wolf. Okay.